Hello, friend. So I'm in the high limit room at Pishinga. I think someone was just saying like, hey, I'm recording, so someone just left, but I didn't get in trouble or anything. I have $35 free play. Minimum is $5 each. So let's see. Okay, the major is $5,000. I was just, I had to adjust my camera. Okay, we'll try this a little first. I'm feeling in the mood for Sahara Gold. It sounded good. I'm just gonna try a little. Hit a bonus real quick or something. Man, the corner machines or something. I wanted to play this. Then someone's playing two machines. This was one of the machines. I think someone like on the left has that. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm feeling it. Come on, come on. Ooh. Yay. Wow, it's loud. Alright. A green major ball, please. Come on, mini. I think someone said I was going to record and then they left. I think they wanted to play, but probably they know I'm going to be talking a lot. Dang. Come on, a green. Oh, minor, do it. Yes. Come on, come on. It sounds good. Oh my god, it sounds good. Oh, mini, come on, come on. Come on, Sahara, come on, come on. Sounds like, okay, let's lower it. Did someone get a jackpot? Like triple? Oh, this is, alright. From the start, I guess. I mean, it's a good start. So I put in 100, I'm at 200. Woo! Oh my god! Yes. I've never gotten 5 bonus balls like that. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's listen to the song a little bit. Maybe, I think I got $500 or what? I got 500 to begin with, I think, right? Am I doing my math correctly? Okay. Yes. All right. Come on, hold and spin. Or a good one, come on. Oh no! I wanted hold and spin, but I mean, that was $500 already, you know? Come on, a good one. All the wilds, come on, come on. Man! Oh, come on, a good one. Ooh, re-trigger. Okay, oh. Last game, last game. That's awesome, man. That's so good, man. Okay. I am up 685. What is this, man? This is too good. Okay. Let me stop at, I don't know. It's just too good. Let me see if it has something else to give. Maybe I should stop though. I want to apologize everyone next to me that I'm talking so much. Come on! I'm going to try a little more and then I don't want to give it all back, you know? Maybe at 40? Yeah, let's do one more. Okay, let's do this. Okay, one more, let's do this. A re-trigger. Too good. Well, I'll stop here. It's really good though. Let's go try something else or what? My mom got a bonus. Let's watch her play. Okay. Get something good. Come on, let's watch her play. Ooh, I saw the mini. Come on. Oh, that's $250. This is my ticket. My video is a little short though, so we're still gonna try something. Alright.
สวัสดีมากเลยเดี๋ยววันหลัง
Very good, very good. Are they like being extra nice today or something? Alrighty, still in the high limit room, and I was just walking a while. All the dragon links were kind of taken, so let's not hit it and quit too fast. Let's see if I can. Ooh, come on, 3 more. Okay. Let's see if I can snipe this other lady. She kind of like played a while, but she got something good already, and then she left. Come on, 3. There was one time where it was just paying everyone, and now it's like, I don't know what's going on. Oh no. Happy and Lantern. Is it Happy Lantern or Happy and Lantern? Ooh. Is it? Come on, 2 more. Oh my gosh. Oh no. What happened? Oh, that was 100. Okay, we still have hope, kind of. Oh, wow. $21. Oh, that would have been 2 minis, man. Oh. 26. Not really hitting anything. Where are the bonuses? Come on, 2, 2, 2. Oh, what a tease. Oh. So there was like this lady, but she was kind of like just, okay, after this, if it's still not that good, then probably gonna play some like Fire Link outside the high limit room. There was this lady, she was on here for a while, and she wasn't hitting like 3, 3, 3. She wasn't hitting really anything. So I don't know if she got all the good hits already. Man, this is... We can probably leave the high limit room now. Oh, just like 1 more. I was like pointing to my mom. She didn't... Nobody cares right now, but... What's going on? Okay. There is a mole mummy too somewhere. Yikes. Wow. Okay. Only... Oh, geez. I don't know if I should... Okay, we want to walk away with something. I'm just telling myself this. It's just like, I just feel like there could be possibly more opportunity for something. You can't just like give one nice win and then that's it. Like, Let's see this one. Whoa. Still cannot find the win. I have lost count. I think this is still third of the. Let's try to snipe my mom, I guess, but this is why when you win, you should be happy about it. But then where are the bonuses? Oh, my mom. Too fun, too good. Should we go watch my mother? Oh, finally. Okay. A big ball, please, minor or something. Oh my god, come on, come on, come on. I saw that minor many years ago. Come on, don't stop now. Can I get a mini or something? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, this, I don't think it was like a big one or anything. Well, so I think I put 3 of my profit. Let's see if there's anything after this. One more. Oh, let's try some. Give this horsey guy a few spins. I might stop at 100 or so. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh. All right, let's see. I probably used 2 of my profits, so I'm probably still up like 4. Okay, I put like a new 20. I don't know the video that I cashed out my money. So wait, so I cashed out the 100, so I should be up 4 still, but I put a 20. I just want to press like. We can watch my mom play. So I put another 20. Okay, 10 even. Wow, let's watch. Wow, there's a 20, 20. Okay, let's. We're in the high limits room still and just betting $5. Oh wow. Wow, the grand is 71,000. I've never seen a 71,000 grand. I've seen a million. I've seen 50 on the other ones. Ah, that would be so awesome. Walking away with 71,000. We'd probably stay a little bit more though after that. To play like maybe like 1,000 more. Okay, better than nothing. I'll just press these. Try that for another one. Give it. Okay guys, let's play a little fire link. Put a 20 in there. In the end, I'm still up $300. I know we were up like 6, but like, you know, I played back 2, saved the 1. I don't know. 20 here, 20 there. Yeah, well, this would be nice if I got it right away. Can you do like $1.05 or something? Okay. Oh man. Two. Oh, okay. I'm glad that this was quick. I was like, oh, I'm gonna put 20 in there and then I'm gonna be like, okay guys, that's it. But it's not over. Alright. Come on, do I tap it? Did I touch the screen? I can't stop this thing. What? Come on, stop. Ooh. My mom's doing 10 cents to $2. Stop. Ooh. Stop. Oh my god, guys, I think that's $125 up there. How much is my mini? $15. Come on. Oh, come on. Aw, that's it. That's a minor. I had to unlock just like, I should have like really tried on that one. So this is pennies. So if it's pennies, the amount is just what it is. Oh, oh, I'm so glad I just got, oh look, I got $100. So if I technically stop, I'm up 400. Yeah, just $2.50 bet on pennies. I think my mom got $28. Okay. I mean, yay. I can keep going a little more. There were some comments saying like, oh, my accent is not American, like, please. I'm like as American as I can be, because I am one. Right away. Oh, so good. Do I stop here? Oh, did I press 50 cents? I didn't realize that. Okay, now we can go watch my mother again. Yay, you want to get a mini? It's $139. Look, if I play pennies, my minis is 15, and I got 2 minis. If I played 10 cents, I would have gotten like over $200. So I think it increases your like progressive with a higher denom. But then I just wanted to do that because, you know, it's like almost max. This is pretty good. Wow. What's the big number right there? Is that's $100. Oh, did you guys see the minor right now? I saw the miner's $500. Come on. it once for the, imagine I get it on the 50 cents. Okay. That's okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's collect and then I think this is pretty entertaining, you know, for this spontaneous visit. I don't know how I look. My hair is like all over the place. It's crazy. All right, another fun video today. So I'm glad that Sahara Gold. I was like, okay, I want to come to Sahara Gold in the high limit room, and then I came straight to it. The first time I came to it, it was taken. Came back, it was open, and I'm like, I knew it. My heart is calling for it. Okay, we're not an addict, and you guys probably already know my point here is because I really want to make fun videos, because that's my goal, is to make, you know, money from views off of it. So it's for fun, and of course I wish to make, you know, money from the slots too. You know, I don't want to lose. Yeah, okay, this is a really fun video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Enjoy your holidays. Happy holidays, everybody. And thanks so much for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.